जब रात का करीब 1 बजने वाला है तो मैं अपनी सेल्फ इम्प्रूवमेंट सीरीज़ के लिए ये 5th वीडियो शूट कर रहा हूँ। ये सीरीज़ और ये वीडियोज़ मैं अपनी सेल्फ इम्प्रूवमेंट के लिए बनाता हूँ। अगर आपको इस सीरीज़ में ज़रा कुछ भी पसंद आए तो मुझे आप सभी का साथ और सपोर्ट चाहिए। मुझे इस सीरीज़ में आप सभी का साथ और सपोर्ट चाहिए। गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। I hope you understand and feel this 5th video of our self-improvement series which I want to present in front of you. मेरा नाम अश्वनी है और मैं 22 साल का हूँ और मैं एक फ्यूचर बिलियनियर हूँ। मैं ये सारी वीडियोस अपने सेल्फ इम्प्रूवमेंट के लिए बना रहा हूँ। अगर आपको इन वीडियोस में ज़रा भी कुछ अच्छा लगे तो आप चैनल को सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं। Today we are discussing about why consistency beats motivation every time. Motivation is exciting, but it's also a liar. It makes you feel powerful. It tells you you can do it. But the truth is, motivation is unreliable. It comes and goes. It shows up when it wants and disappear when you need it most. So the question is, how do people achieve anything great when motivation dies? So the answer is consistency. Motivation is a spark, but consistency is the fire. Motivation might start your journey, but consistency will take you to the end. Think about it. Think about it. Anyone can go to the gym for a week. Anyone can wake up early for few days. Anyone can start working on their goals when it's exciting. But can you show up on 100th days? When no one is watching, when you are tired, when it feels like nothing is working, that's where the most people quit. That's why the most people never change. Because they are chasing the feelings, not building the habit. The science behind it. Your brain loves comfort. It wants you to stay in bed, procrastinate, overthink. Motivation can fight that, but only for a short time. Consistency, on the other hand, is rewiring your brain. Every time you showed up, you are building a mental muscle of your brain. Over the time, it becomes easier, smoother, automatic. That's the real power of consistency and building the habit. Motivation is like using a force to open a locked door, while consistency is a way to making a key. The tiny actions leads to massive result. The greatness is not built on huge days. It's built on small actions repeated for years. 10 push-ups in a day for a year is more better than one intense workout in January. Reading 2 pages in a day is better than for reading 1 book and forgetting it. Creating 1 video in every week is far and far better than waiting to make perfect one. You don't need to be amazing today. You just need to not quit. Real talk. Why most people fail? Because they are waiting to feel ready, waiting for the right mood, waiting for the motivation. Let me say this clearly. One day you will lose to someone less talented than you if they are more consistent than you. Your potential means nothing if your effort is inconsistent. Motivation is a mood, but consistency is the commitment. Discipline is greater than emotions. Discipline is doing what you said you would do long after the mood you said it in has gone. Discipline is doing what you said you would do long after the mood you said it in has gone. Motivation is like a weather, always changing. But discipline is your climate. You can control it. The final words from my side to you. You don't need to go faster. You just need to go every day. You don't need to feel it. You just need to do it. So stop chasing the moment of excitement and start chasing the momentum. That's how winners are made. Not through energy burst, but through quiet, boring, small, powerful, consistent daily decisions. While motivations may inspire you, consistency transforms you. So stop procrastination from today, from right now, and start doing what you want to win your life. That's why your future self will thank you. Thank you from my side. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. और इन सेल्फ इम्प्रूवमेंट सीरीज में अगर कुछ ऐसा है जो आपको अच्छा लगता है, अगर कुछ ऐसा है जो कि सुधारा जा सकता है, वो दोनों कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर बताइएगा। थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू। ये हमारी सोसाइटी है जहाँ पे मैं रहता हूँ, और ये ऊपर छत पर थोड़ा आगे चलकर, थोड़ा और आगे चलकर, थोड़ा और आगे चलकर ये मेरा ओपन स्टूडियो है जहाँ पर मैं वीडियोस बनाता हूँ। ये मेरा ओपन स्टूडियो है जहाँ पर मैं वीडियोस बनाता हूँ। थैंक यू गाइज ऑल ऑफ यू। थैंक यू गाइज all of you।